Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Next.js projects using GitHub Actions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Next.js project using GitHub Actions, start by navigating to your project directory in your terminal. Ensure that your project is initialized with Git. If it's not yet initialized, run the command git init to set it up. Next, create a new repository on GitHub for your project. Take note of the repository URL, as you will need it later. Add the GitHub repository as a remote to your local project by using the command git remote add origin repository URL. Now, commit your current project files if you haven't already done so. You can stage all changes with git add, followed by the commit command git commit m initial commit. Next, push your changes to the remote repository with git push u origin main. With your local project backed up on GitHub, it's time to set up GitHub Actions. In your project repository on GitHub, navigate to the Actions tab. Click on Set up a workflow yourself to create a new action. This will open an editor where you can define your workflow. Name your workflow file, for example, backup.yml. In this file, specify the necessary configurations to define the action steps. Start by defining the name of your workflow at the top of the file, such as name, backup Next.js project. Next, specify when the workflow should run by using the on keyword. For backups, it's common to set the trigger to on push. Under the job section, add jobs followed by a job name like backup. Then, specify the environment by setting runs on Ubuntu latest. Now, begin defining the steps in your job. Add a step to check out your repository code using the action name, checkout code uses, actions/checkout at v2. Follow this with a step to set up node.js by adding name, setup node.js uses, actions/. Next, install your project dependencies by adding name, install dependencies run, npm install. Now, build your Next.js project by adding a new step with name, build project run, npm run build. Once the project is built, add a step to archive your build artifacts. You can do this using name, archive production artifact run, tar czvf. Finally, upload the artifact to GitHub Actions by adding name, upload production artifact uses, actions/upload artifact at v2 with name, production art. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.